Hi guys, Javier Antunez here from Tattoo Theory at the FK Irons headquarters to talk to you today about the Airbolt and the Airbolt Mini. Off-the-grid power supply, two ultralight models to choose from, the Airbolt up to 15 hours of runtime depending on usage, 4.2 ounces, and the Airbolt Mini up to 10 hours of runtime depending on usage, 3.4 ounces, both of which have the same functionality. And for your safety, this power unit has been shipped disabled. To activate it, plug it into a USB-C power source and charge it completely until the LED light remains solid green. It's important to make sure it's charged for at least 3 hours before the first use. So USB-C fast charging, Bluetooth connectivity, and anti-skid magnetic base. Barrier protection, made easy. One cable is all you need, and now you're mobile. And for more control, you get the Darklab app. Bluetooth-enabled update and control via Darklab app, user-friendly battery and voltage indicator, eGive enabled, electronic give for any machine, and it's also voice activated. And it's super easy to set up. Hey Siri, Airbolt battery level.
The Airbolt batteries is at 100%.
Hey, thanks Siri. The Airbolt also has a hard shut-off where you can save battery life. Easy peasy. It's the Airbolt and the Airbolt Mini. It's Javi from Tattoo Theory with FK Irons. We'll see you next time.